How to add pickup option in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add pickup option in your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy and simple. So first, you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard. And then in the dashboard, as you can see, you have to choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. You can choose the website you want to add the pickup option, and then you can go ahead to the setting on the left side of the screen in the bottom left side, and then in this is the general settings. You can go to selling this one, and then you can scroll down until you find pickup. So this is the pickup. You can click it. And this is the pickup page. So as you can see, local pickup is a fulfillment option for in-store physical products. So it's only for the physical products. And then you can just click add pickup option here. And then you can add your information. So you can add the name of your shop. Then you can add the address, you know, and also you can add the add taxation address if you need it, and also you can go to tax panel. So after you fill the information, you can just click save. There will be an option to click save after you fill it, and then it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.